Ghana's biggest oil marketing company, GOIL, reported a profit after tax of over 150 million Ghana cedis, up by 29% when compared to the over 81 million Ghana cedis reported in 2018. The growth in the company's net profit after tax is the second highest in 4 years, falling behind the 35.6% growth reported in 2016. In his address at the company's 51st AGM, the board chairman, Kwamina Bartels, announced that despite the impressive performance, the company was retaining a considerable amount of the earnings per share to help finance key projects.
Per share moved from Ghana cedis 0.209 to Ghana cedis 0.269. Total assets increased from 1.345 billion cedis to approximately 1.716 billion cedis. The company has embarked on projects that have the potential to yield higher gains in the future. For this reason, the board has decided to retain a considerable amount of the earnings per share to help finance these projects. Recommendation for dividend per share is Ghana cedis 0.045 as against 0.042 in 2018.
Despite the performance in 2019, the company has experienced some demand challenges as a result of the impact of COVID-19. GOIL started the year dispensing 33.7 million litres of petrol in January. Following the implementation of COVID-19 restrictions in Ghana, that amount dropped to 22 million litres of petrol in April. Here is the group CEO and MD, Kwame Osei-Prempeh, expressing optimism about the company's fortunes for the rest of 2020.
But 2020 has been very challenging because of the COVID outbreak. There was a time that we really lost part of the market because of the lockdown. But God being what it is, we believe that we are catching up. But you look at the figures after the lockdown, it's very impressive. We are catching up, and we believe that it will go very well, especially going into 2020. By the time we have our next AGM, God willing, in May 2021, our bitumen project will be on course. We will have started production. Our LPG separation will be on course. And people might have understood very well, appreciated our 95 market, and we believe that it will go well. So 2020, we have all the confidence that everything will go well. It looks good.
The company's share valuation on the Ghana Stock Exchange from January to August 19, 2020 dropped by 11.8%. But according to the Chief Operating Officer of GOIL, Mr. Alex Adjil, the poor liquidity caused by the COVID-19 pandemic as well as the financial sector difficulties can be blamed for that dip.
For the capital market, it's always a long-term investment compared to the money market, which is more or less short-term. And anytime there's a crisis in the money market, it affects the capital market as well, because now people are having challenges securing their funds from the money market, because it's short term and they want to use the money for other things. Any challenges in the money market goes on to the capital market, because now people are turning their attention there. They don't have the laxity of getting their short-term funds. So even though they have invested in the long term, they now turn towards trying to sell off their stocks on the capital market. Now, the moment that happens, and the capital markets, the issue of the share price is based upon demand and supply, like I said. So once you have a lot more people now willing to sell off their shares, and so supply outstripping demand, then you expect the share price to fall. The other thing that we can do to bring the share price up, which we believe we are doing gradually, posting of our quarterly performance, letting the shareholders know the type of investments we are doing for the future, so that it gives them the hope and the confidence and boost up the demand cycle. Once you boost up the demand and demand outstrips supply, then you find your share price now turning around. So that is what we are going to do. Try and post positive things about the company, and then also post, like for instance, our result that we have posted. We believe is a very good result, which should ginger the demand, so that it will start having the share price increase.
Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to our Citi TV YouTube channel for more videos on the business dashboard.
Tune in and stay updated on the key business news stories of the day with Business Dashboard every weekday at 7 p.m. only on Citi TV.